to challenge you to be with new folks. And it's going to be okay. We're here for you. We're going to get through it together.
So we have the CMS, some of the student athletes out here today at UNC Charlotte's Venture Outdoor Leadership. We're out here at our Team Challenge course. So they're out here doing activities that focus on leadership development, growing as a team, growing as a group, recognizing that they're all coming from different spaces and locations. So they're out here working on how to develop those skills so they can go back to their schools and lead their teams and lead their other athletes at their school as well.
We call it blind maze. So what's going to happen is half the people are going to go along the outside of the maze, find a spot, and then stay there. And then what's going to happen is the other half of the people are going to be blindfolded and go through said maze. And people on the outside have to get the people on the inside through the maze.
Okay, move forward and just try to feel for the free.